Welcome back to the class. In this class, we are solving another question. So let's see how to solve the questions on the board. So, solution. So we have let u equals to 1 minus x, 2x plus 3 x squared, and v equals to 4 minus 5 x squared. So we find the u over the x. Constant is 0. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of plus 3x squared, we are having plus 6x. So the v over the x, constant is 0 minus, this will be 10x. 10x. 0 minus 10x is 10 minus 10x. So now from the y over the x, which is equal to u, the v over the x plus v, the u over what? The x. So we have the y over the x now. U, what's u? 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared. The v over the x, which is what? Minus 10. Plus v. What's v? 4 minus 5 x squared. So the u over the x, we have brackets minus 2 plus 6x. So let's see how we can simplify this further. So now we have the y over the x now equals to, I have minus 10x, let me bring it forward, into brackets 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared plus 4 minus 5 x squared into brackets minus 2 plus 6x. So we have the y over the x equals to, we expand this now. So let's expand this now. We have minus 10x times 1, we have minus 10x. It depends on the way they leave the answer. They can leave the answer like this, or you expand further. So minus 10 times x, we have minus 10x, and the minus 10x times minus 2x, that will be plus. Minus times minus is plus. We have a 20 x squared, and the minus 10x times plus 3x squared, we have minus 30 x times x squared, we have x is power 3, x is power 3. So here we have to expand this. 4 times minus 2, we have minus 8. So we now have a plus minus. So 4 times minus So 4 times minus 2, that is minus 8. And 4 times plus 6x, we have, that will be plus 24. 24x. That is 4 times 6. 24x. Then you make use of this to multiply this as well. Minus 5x squared times minus 2, we have plus 10x squared. Minus times minus is plus, 5 times 2 is 10, s times, there's no x here, so we have s is power 2. Then minus 5x squared times plus 6x, we have plus, minus times plus is minus, 5 times 6 is 30, and x is power what? 3. So now let's simplify for that. So we're having minus 10x, anyone with x, we have plus 24x. So we have dy over the x equals to minus 10 plus 24, we have plus 14. We have 14x. We have combined this and this because we're having x and x. So the one with x squared, so we have plus 20x squared plus 10s squared, that will be plus 30 s squared. So why the one with s is power 3, we are having minus, that will be minus 30 minus 30, that will be minus 60, x is power 3. So now we have constant, which is plus minus 8, plus times minus is minus 8. So that's the end. So that's the final answer. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be solving another question. See you.